Today I want to talk about Daniel Kahneman's theory of perspectives. It helps us to build new habits. Well, sometimes it's not so easy to make some actions automatically to be a habit. Wake up in the morning, to make gym, eat healthy, not to be late, all those things. So, let's start. Imagine you've been offered two deals. A. 80% of possibility to win 10,000 euros, and B. Guaranteedly win 7,000 euros. Well, a lot of people in this case will choose B because it's safe. Doesn't matter what happens, you will get your 7,000 euros. Now another deal. 80% of possibility to lose 10,000 euros or guaranteed lose 7,000 euros. Still want to choose B? Well, studies shows that whenever we have a risk to lose the money, people will take the risk. And well, the theory is very big, a lot of academic words, but shortly it says loss upsets us more than win, please. How can we use this theory in our everyday life to make a habit? Well, when you want to do something, don't look at something as from perspective of win. Look at something from perspective of lose. Don't think what will you get if you do this action. Rephrase it and think what will you lose if you do not do that. For example, meditation, and link is here how to do that. Do not think what will you get if you meditate 10 minutes a day. Think what will you lose if you do not meditate 10 minutes a day. You even can make a test. During 2 weeks, try to focus on 2 tasks. During 1 week, focus on that task from perspective of win. What will you get if you do that? During the second week, rephrase it and try to focus on that from the perspective of lose. What will you lose if you do not do that? I really hope that this theory and this practice will help you a lot. Subscribe my channel, like the video, share it, and bye bye.